And we have Mr. Dirty Bird himself, Mr. Jamal Anderson. I don't know if you remember him back in the day, the dance he used to do every time he used to score a touchdown for the Falcons. All right, that's a nice looking card there. And we have from the Arizona Cardinals, Trey McBride. All right, so the Dolphins are still up 1-0 on the Bills. Could it be an upset? We have Marquise Brown from the Kansas City Chiefs. We have Hunter Henry on the England game from the New England Patriots. They played on 10/20/2024. We will sit that here. I have Michael Irving from the Dallas Cowboys. Hopefully you guys can see that. It says Touchdown Masters. All right. Let's see if that one's numbered. No numbers on the back of there. No numbers up front, but it's a nice looking card. We have a Hall of Fame, Barry Sanders from the Detroit Lions. That's pretty cool. We have DJ Moore from the Chicago Bears. And last one in this pack, we have Mr. Frank Gore, the 49ers legend. All right. 2 more packs left. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with others. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.